Let's hit the road. Understanding everyday English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a common English phrase. Let's hit the road. This phrase is used frequently in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really add to your fluency in English. So, let's dive in. The phrase, "let's hit the road," is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to begin a journey or to depart from a place. It's commonly used when people are about to leave for a trip, particularly a road trip, but it can be used in various contexts. The word, hit, in this context doesn't have its literal meaning of striking something. Instead, it means to start or go. Understanding the origin of idioms can be fascinating and helpful. "Let's hit the road" likely originated from the early days of motoring. The word, road, obviously refers to the physical road, and hit implies initiating action. Over time, it became a popular way of saying it's time to start traveling. This phrase is very versatile. You can use it in casual conversations, both formally and informally. Here are some examples. We have a long drive ahead. Let's hit the road early in the morning. It's getting late. Let's hit the road now. After saying our goodbyes, we hit the road for our next adventure. Remember, it's mostly used in situations related to starting a journey or leaving a place. There are several other phrases with similar meanings. For example, "let's get going," "time to depart," "we should make a move." Understanding these similar expressions can enrich your conversational skills. "Let's hit the road" is a simple yet colorful way to express the start of a journey or departure. It's a phrase that captures the excitement and movement of travel. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Happy learning, and until next time, keep practicing.